everyone, it's the Arches Mechanic. So today we are going to be changing the oil on my PM2000I Powermate generator. The first step is going to be removing the spark plug cover, like that. Second step is removing these two screws. These screws have retaining clips on them, so they won't come completely out. Reach inside, push, and the side cover will pop off and will reveal the inside of the generator. Right down here is the oil drain and oil fill. Go ahead and unscrew this. Be sure to have a paper towel nearby to set this on. This oil is still very clean, but it's the first oil change and it's been about 20 hours, so it does need to be changed. So this is how I'm gonna do it. You can also put a flat piece of tin foil or something right there, but I'm gonna use this bottle and put it up against here and then tilt it so that the oil goes into the bottle. And that's how much we got out. It's a 24-ounce bottle, so about 12 ounces. Now we just refill it with 12 ounces of our new oil. All right, the new oil has been added. Cap's back on, and we take our cover, slide these 3 notches in. Line it up. And then screw these screws back in. And finally, the cover for the spark plug hole. And that's it. That's how you change the oil on the Powermate PM2000i.